Ethereum is going parabolic, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. If you guys want more updates in terms of charts and actually how to trade, make sure to check out the Telegram link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend because as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have gone absolutely parabolic. Yesterday, we were testing a very crucial resistance point here at 1421, and I mentioned the fact that we are still seeing these exponential moving averages using as support and getting closer and closer to a major resistance point. You can see we actually saw 4 tests on that level and then a very large short squeeze going all the way up to around the $1,600 mark. Now, this shouldn't come to a surprise to anyone because of the fact that I mentioned that if this level here on this blue line is broken, Ethereum will be in the medium term a bullish case scenario. Zooming out of the chart, you can see why did this happen? Well, our W formation played out almost perfectly. You can see that we were using this support level here around the 1180 mark multiple times, and then we saw an explosive short squeeze opportunity, which I mentioned time after time after time as well in the Telegram channel, that I am expecting a short squeeze because of how many shorting positions are being opened at these levels. As of right now, the take profit zone will remain around the 1658 for those of you wondering why. Of course, this is pretty much where the move set started. We had this massive opportunity to the downside, and right now we are successfully completing our overall inverse bark formation. So this will be the level bulls will actually start to take some profits. You can see in terms of RSI, we are extremely overbought, and pretty much everyone is wondering when is the time to short. And let me explain a few things to you guys. Number one, of course, you can see that the shorts are getting absolutely wrecked. The same people shorting here got wrecked at 1300. The same people that were shorting here at 1400 got wrecked. And I'm sure the same people shorting here at 1500 are probably going to get wrecked. The reason why, of course, is because you can see that these shorts are fueling this massive rally that we are seeing. And this is what we call a hated rally, where people aren't sure whether or not the bottom was in. They are upset and they're going to continue shorting until the product of it obviously changes. But we have to keep in mind that we have to keep emotions away from the charts, and right now there isn't a reason to be looking for a short until we test our major resistance level here around the 1658. Now, you guys already know I was mentioning the fact that my overall targets will remain down here around the $700 to $1,000 level, and I'm still staying true to that. I don't necessarily think the bottom is in just yet, and again, I'm sure we saw the same sort of comments when we were riding all the way up tier to 2000, and this is what I call a beautiful bullish rally, right? You can see where we had this beautiful fake out opportunity retesting those highs at 2000. Everyone got bullish, and then we started a new wave to the downside. I would not be surprised if we actually saw the same sort of situation, possibly going all the way up to around 1787, and then the continuation to the downside once again. Even on the hourly time frames, you can see that Ethereum is in extreme overbought conditions, but we are starting to see some sort of pullbacks as of right now. We have multiple retests on this 1518 level, and for those of you that are trading and trying to get a snag on this, what you're going to be waiting for is a clean breakdown of this formation. We can definitely be looking for somewhat of a possible bar formation then on the hourly, but in my opinion, I would not be trading on the weekend because usually on the weekend we tend to see a nice ladder case upwards. Monday morning, that massive move to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.